Hello everyone, this is Yolanda from Maxizm Construction Machinery Company. Today we arrived at the Qingdao port. You can see in front of me is a garbage truck. Let me introduce it to you. The upper part is made of high-quality, high-strength steel plate, and the volume of the garbage box is 8 cubic meters. The tail is equipped with a triangle bucket device to dock the garbage and facilitate loader feeding. The hydraulic operating system is electrically controlled and manually controlled, with a rear bucket lapping that can handle two 240 liters plastic buckets, and optional small triangle bucket, large flow buckets, swing arm devices, and so on. Secondly, it has super load bearing capacity and can handle various road conditions easily. The car body adopts 3 double-layer beam and a reinforced thick leaf spring. Its German-made large tonnage rear axle is maintenance-free and has a very long service life. Equipped with steel wire tie, has the strongest load-bearing capacity. Thirdly, equipped with Weichai 160 horsepower engine and 6-speed gearbox, has 20,000 kilometers long maintenance cycle, saving time and money. Okay, if you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact me and my company.